Hello friends, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika and today we are kicking off a brand new series. How to create a directory website using the Divi theme and GeoDirectory plugin. To get started, you will first need a WordPress website. If you haven't set that up yet, check out our step-by-step video guide on how to create a WordPress site. It will walk you through everything you need to know. Once your WordPress site is ready, it's time to dive into building your directory website. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do it using the Divi theme and the GeoDirectory plugin. Step 1. Install and set up the GeoDirectory plugin. Step 2. Install the Divi theme. So coming on to WordPress dashboard, coming in plugins, then click on add new plugin. Then we will search here GeoDirectory. Through this we can build the directory site very easily. So we will install this first plugin and then we will activate it. So after activation we need to do some setups. So now we are doing map setups. So for this we are choosing the default OpenStreetMap which is given here, and we will continue. Then add default location. So we can click on show advanced and we can see the city and other options. So we will drag and drop and do some of the changes and do some settings and then continue. Then coming on to some extra features through which we can build the listing directory more easily and beautifully. So from here we will be installing all the free add-ons, not the paid ones. So then clicking on install. So we can see that these all have installed. Now after installation we will click on continue. Now coming on to content stamp. So we will be using some default content. Changing settings to 10, then click on insert post. So we will be doing this GeoDirectory plugin setup with some dummy data. So we can apply those listings onto our website for users' purpose. After insertion, click on continue. Then coming on to GeoDirectory plugin, all options setup, all step setup, that is complete. Then coming back onto the WordPress dashboard. So our GeoDirectory plugin setup has been installed. So in the second step we will be looking on to the themes, that is Divi themes. Coming on to appearance and then on to themes. Divi theme is a paid theme which I have uploaded, installed and activated from before. So now our setup process is done. So in the next video we will be seeing how to create a directory site header in Divi theme. To get the next part, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive our video first. We also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.